Very good morning, everybody. Welcome to Pathfinders morning trading room. And we have a short covering that has happened for 5 sessions now. And the market is likely to open either a little positive or flat. So that's our market. So we had a correction. अभी देखते हैं कितना correction हुआ. This was almost a full correction that happened. The power of patterns. This was a double bottom that happened. What was this pattern? This pattern was a double bottom. This pattern was a double bottom. Then from here, it retraced 50%. If you see here, it retraced 50%. And now today there are two possibilities. This is normally a short covering. This is a two sessions of short covering that has happened. Now there are two situations here. Either it will continue to move up and move to the 61% retracement, which is at 19,880, and reverse from there, or if it breaks comfortably this on the upward side, then it can touch the previous high of 20,200 rupees. So अनफॉर्चुनेटली मार्केट हमको बताता नहीं है कि वो क्या करेगा, हमको अपने आप ही पता करना पड़ता है उसको. And yesterday I had a good day, and remember the trades we started in the morning, so mostly bank nifty, and I booked a profit of 36,000 rupees overall in this one. And my overall profit booked in this, if you see, yesterday was about 41,146 minus 2236, and I'm still carrying a call hedge in loss. वो मैं अभी भी carry कर रहा हूँ. So now this is a call hedge that I have taken and a directional neutral trade in TCS. So that's what I am. I've also written a 46,000 call of Bank Nifty, very far away. I've written that one also. That is very much out of the money. That is almost 1,500 rupees above out of the money, which is mostly a monthly ATR, and half the month is gone. So that is a 2 weeks ATR I have taken into account. So let's see today where will the market go. Then in Nifty Bank, and you see Nifty Bank yesterday was weaker than Nifty, and you see the kind of strength that Nifty has shown, Bank Nifty has not shown. In fact, if you see, बैंक निफ्टी का जो रैली था वो बहुत स्ट्रांग नहीं था. गिरा 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 गिरा, थोड़ा सा उठा, जोर से गिरा, फिर जोर से उठा, और अभी थोड़ा सा गिरा. So that is why I'm not very bullish on Bank Nifty. And if Bank Nifty starts coming down, and Bank Nifty has a huge weightage in the Nifty, almost a 30% plus, so then it will drag the Nifty also down with it. Yesterday, our equity trades didn't work, and it was every one of them finished in loss. So Bajaj Finance, Chola Finance, Coal India, everything finished in loss. But overall, I made a profit of about 41,000 rupees yesterday, and this month is now about a 78,000 rupees, 1.6% of running profit I am seeing here. So we will, and we have expiry of Nifty today. So market will be volatile. We will check out what is the market likely to do today. Okay. Uh, we will stick to our list of overbought and oversold stocks. वो हमेशा लेके रखिएगा. Tools, my scans, oversold futures. These futures are oversold, and overbought futures are edit, and I'll keep it 70 only. So I saw we didn't take this 70, so we were a little in a problem yesterday. So I'll stick to the rule strictly. So these are the stocks that are overbought. But then we will see more or less which trend does the market take. Market कौन सा trend हमारा लेती है. We will work on that. And yesterday, Nifty had a very strong support at 19,800. 19,800 पे Nifty को बहुत strong support था. And we will, keep that level in mind. Until unless that level is not broken, Nifty will not go down. वो नीचे नहीं जाएगा जब तक वो लेवल हमारा ब्रेक नहीं होगा. Or if we look at the index from a MFI point of view, money flow index. MFI is a combination of RSI and volume. So, and we see on MFI, so this becomes oversold, this become overbought, and you see this is not a bad, like here, every time it gives a buy signal, it is a pretty strong trade that you can look at. So this is MFI, this was a buy, it went up, this was a buy, it went up, this was a buy and it went up, and this was a buy, it went up. So the success rate of when you buy Nifty when MFI is below 30 is 100%. So we'll keep an eye on this one. And similarly, on the upper side, that is not always true. Here it did not, it went down, but the price went up. So here also the price went up. So on the overbought side, it doesn't work all the time. But on the oversold side, we see it is working most of the time. So let's now keep an eye on our stocks here. And market about to open in just and one other call I have in mind here is a 20,000 call. Add script and Nifty. 12th October is today. So I'll be looking for a call of 19,900. Market is open. 19,900 call is about 15 rupees. So that is not bad at all. I'm selling 19,900 calls with a stop loss at 15 threes are 45. So that is the rule. So 50, 45, and I will keep one more cell at 20 and one more cell at 30. So taken my positions in this one. And we see Nifty for the moment is in a indecisive mode. And what is strong today? See, today Bank Nifty is strong. Nifty is plus 21, Bank Nifty is plus 120. Ideally, the difference should be three times. Ideally, the difference should be three times. But here difference is almost five times. Five times is the difference that we are looking at in this one. So it takes some time for the market to settle down. We will work on that. Now, if you see the Nifty 20,000 call and script Nifty a call of 20,000, but which one? Of 26th October. 20,000 call, which is for 94 rupees. So this one, I won't mind picking up. We have a market, even if the market approaches 61%, it will not reach 20,000. So I can start but playing with a 20,000. So I've taken 120,000 call, right? With a stop loss equivalent to premium 205. I'm taking roughly 200. और ये वाला my GTD order होगा. This is a my GTD order, and I am, in case the market moves up, I'll sell one more at 130 rupees. That's another one I'm picking up. So this is, and the Nifty, I will see, how is it working. And for the moment, we see we have a very strong support at 19,800. और जब तक ये support नहीं टूटता है, तब तक I will not be, this is my hedge that is going on. And looking at the trend of the Nifty, I can start with the call hedge. Call hedge is not a bad idea, but I'll take only half the position. Nifty future and a call of what, with the market at 19,830, what call will I put up? कौन सा call लेंगे हम लोग? Which call will I? 19,600, not 19,500. 19,600 would be the call that I will pick up. So I'm picking a 19,600 call, but I'll take for the moment only one. My full position would be 3 lots. I am starting with one. So I will take more as it moves in my favor. Right? So and I have one algo also that has started. Now, there's one strategy that I'm giving to everybody for free so that you can experience algo. And this is this first strategy, Nifty 920 SS. It is a wonderful strategy with just a drawdown of 7% in this. So those who want to start your algos, you can use this one. This is free. Just if you're not signed up, just sign up and follow the instructions. The minimum top up is 1,000 rupees for the server charges, and you can execute this strategy. Where you just have to log in the morning, and the strategy takes care of itself. Okay, so here now I am. So let's check out. And I had this. I'd taken this trade in TCS, and you can see this is giving me money now. TCS. And what happened to TCS? Add script. It came up with a good result. TCS is up 1%. So I have booked a profit in this. So let me cancel my stop losses and book my profit. This is a result directional neutral strategy. So TCS gave me 840 rupees of profit, and you just execute the strategy before the result and get out of it after the results. As simple as that. Now, one thing I have noted is that next month's hedges are not very efficient. Like I did this call hedge of next month of 30th November and 19,700, and the hedge was not very efficient. So I will remove this in case, and I'll prefer to put a stop loss in this because this hedge was not very efficient. So I will not. If you're going for next month, use the stop loss. I think that is what I would suggest. And here I'll put a stop loss at 20,025. 20,025. Remove the hedge on this. Not very efficient. What happened? What did I do? My mistake. My mistake. See, ऐसा भी हो जाता है गलती से वो ऑर्डर गलत एग्जीक्यूट हो गया स्टॉप लॉस के चक्कर में. So that is a. So now, since I'm out of that, I will. Since I see the buying pressure is not there in Nifty today, let me shift here and sell one more. And this one that I sold by mistake, I'll go back in that. This one I had. Okay, I'll pick it back again. I by mistake sold it. Okay, so I picked it back again here with a strict stop loss at यहाँ नहीं यहाँ 19,20,025. 20,025. Place and confirm. By mistake I kept it here, तो निकल गया. So next month futures, the hedges are not very efficient. Mukund said, what is the stop loss for 20,000 call right? 200 rupees, equivalent to the premium. Equivalent to the premium. And we are still 19,800 is the level. जब ये break होगा तो ही नीचे जाएंगे. Actually, I'm not doing any call right of today for the moment. आज की मैंने call right अभी कोई भी नहीं करी है. I have just taken hedge trades. 19,800 is a critical level. So Nifty call today. I'll keep in mind 19,850. क्योंकि यहाँ तक तो वो नहीं जा रहा है, तो ये वाली में I can initiate this. So I've initiated this one at 19 rupees. Okay, I've initiated this at 19 rupees. 19,850. Stop loss 60 rupees. 65 and 60. And I will create one more cell at 30 and one more cell at 40. Okay. So we're seeing here now 19,850. So इसमें I've taken 100, was the maximum money I will get in that is 2,000 rupees. So in this trade, for 2,000 rupees, how much risk do we take? Ami said, deployed the new strategy in Algo. Good. Yes, how much? For 2,000 rupees of profit, how much risk do you take in this strategy? ये concept clear होने बहुत जरूरी है. नहीं, भूषण 1,000 गलत आंसर है. 2,000 भी गलत आंसर है. Answer is 4,000. 4,000. Double risk ले रहे हैं इसमें. Why are we taking double risk? Because we want to be totally out of the volatility. Because on the last day, now इसका एवरेज प्राइस हमारा अभी देख लेते हैं. हमारा टोटल रिस्क कितना होगा? हमने स्ट्रेटजी में क्या किया? 20 रुपीज पे एक लिया, दो हमने 20 पे लिए. Just 1 minute. Okay. Then I will take one at 30 and one at 40. So my जो 20 और 30 का मैंने लिया, उसका एवरेज प्राइस आया हाउ मच? ये मैथ्स हमेशा दिमाग में रखिए. तो 20 प्लस 30 का एवरेज प्राइस, 30 और 40 का एवरेज प्राइस आया 35. तो 35 प्लस 20 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. तो आपका एवरेज प्राइस आया 27.5 minus stop loss is at 60. So your risk is 3,200. 3,200 is your potential profit in this. And how much risk are you taking for this one? You're taking a risk of 60, 3,200 into 4. So that is about 6,400. So the overall risk will be 6,400 rupees. Keep that in mind. And this strategy is only applicable on expiry day. बाकी दिन में नहीं चलेगी. बाकी दिन में तो आपका risk management, because here this day, why do we use it on this day? First of all, your analysis has to be very good. Second, the time decay is exponential on the day of the expiry. Time decay is exponential on the day of the expiry. And if you look at the 19,900 that we have taken, it is already giving us 830 rupees. 840 rupees हमें दे रहा है already. And it can give me 7 rupees more. But what I can do now, 19,900 pending. अब 19,900 में निकाल देता हूँ. This is no more valid. So cancel, cancel, and cancel. And I will put in this a very simple guaranteed profit trade now. Let's say I, so 12 and 10. Now I'm in a guaranteed profit of 500 rupees in 19,900. 600 rupees. So 19,900, 15.5. Yeah, 550 rupees is my guaranteed profit in this one. And if last 2 days was short covering, then today you should see a correction in Nifty. And if you do not see a correction in Nifty today, then it was not short covering. इसीलिए if you're taking your trade from one day to another day, make sure you have a protective hedge. You have a protective hedge in that one. So that is very important that you look at. Right. So let's now look at the stocks, especially see what sector is strong, what sector is weak. हम कौन से वाले सेक्टर पे लॉन्ग के लिए फोकस करें, कौन से वाले सेक्टर के लिए हम शॉर्ट पे फोकस करें. So auto, I'll remove this out now, and we will keep a very simple 5-minute chart. Auto is now showing a selling pressure. Banks are not weak. Banks weak nahi hai. Banks are showing strength. Commodities are very strong. Consumer durable is strong, no weak. Consumption is weak. CPS is strong, energy is strong, financial services now showing some weakness. FMCG is weak, healthcare is weak, infra is weak, IT is weak, media strong, metal strong, MNC is weak, pharma weak, private banks weak. So let's pick up FMCG. FMCG को pick up कर लेते हैं. And FMCG में we will see let's look at the market leaders. Hindu Unilever. Hindu Unilever is showing weakness, but फिलहाल flat है. Then let's look at the Dabur ITC. Dabur is showing weakness. सेक्टर भी वीक है, डाबर भी वीक है, और डाबर वैसे भी नीचे जा रहा है. And if you see Dabur here, Dabur is comfortably broken below it. So in Dabur, if I'm looking at Dabur, I won't mind, going a little above at about 560 and writing a call. So let's say add script, Dabur, call of 560. Those who don't want to do call, you can do a simple. Check the spread, 10 paise ka spread hai, not bad. Lot size is 1250 in this one. So This is an acceptable lot size. I am writing Dabur. I have done a short trade in Dabur with a stop loss. I'll keep it equivalent to the premium. So 336 rupees is my stop loss. 7 and 6. I'll keep it as a my GTD order. I've taken a trade in Dabur. Dabur का ट्रेड लिया है अभी. Now I can see this flirting, Nifty is flirting with 19,800 और 19,800 पे आके वो उछल नहीं रहा है, वो उछल नहीं रहा है. तो कहीं ना कहीं 19,800 पे थोड़ा सा रिस्क लिया जा सकता है. So I go here and I look at Nifty 12th October call of 19,800. इसमें हमको सबसे ज्यादा प्रीमियम मिलेगा. It is a 37 rupees. So I'm writing 1. I'll not take 2 here. I'm writing 1. And in case I'm wrong, I want to spread it. So Dabur, Nifty 19,800. This is 19,800. Where will I put my stop loss? If 35 rupees is my selling price, where will my stop loss be? 105. 35 100. Very good. 110 आपको ध्यान में आना शुरू हो गया. 10 110 and 105 and 3 lots I'll do. So I'll equally divide this. It is a 35. So 35 to 70. So I'll keep one at 50 and one at 70. Sell one at 50 and sell one at 70. Right? So I've taken, go by your rules. Rules break nahi karo. Day before yesterday, my day was going very bad, but eventually Fin Nifty saved me. In the two accounts together, I booked about, I think, 43,000 rupees in Fin Nifty. But I have the advantage of big capital. Most of you might not have that advantage. So, trader as per the rules and regulations. So I have a hedge of Nifty. I have a Nifty 30th November that I'm doing, 3 lots, and I have this. And now there will be many stocks you can look at. Like we just looked at the this Dabur. Dabur we found one. Similarly, you can have. Let's give me some of your stocks you want me to check for you, quickly, and then we'll try to see some more stocks. Okay, so just guys, let me give these trades to everybody. I forgot to do that. Just a minute. Huh? ओके, सो हम देख रहे हैं कि 800 पे प्रेशर बढ़ता जा रहा है. 800 is showing a lots and lots of pressure. And I will, the way the pressure is building on 800, I will probably add one more in 800. So now let's keep 19,900. My 19,900 is now giving me almost 1,000 rupees. 19,850 is giving me 19,850. I can add one more easily. सबके स्टॉप लॉसेस में आपको एक बढ़ा देना पड़ेगा अब है 19,850 and 19,800 is also now. Okay, so that's what I'm trading now. 19,800 का लेवल ध्यान में रखिए, ये लेवल टूटा कि नीचे गया. Yes, sir. Then it will be confirmed that it was a short covering of the last 2 days. Now let's look at your trades. जरा आपके ट्रेड्स देख लेते हैं. बजाज फाइनेंस फॉर शॉर्ट. Bajaj Finance, this is Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance का हैबिट पैटर्न देखते हैं. ये कंफर्म्ड ब्रेकआउट पे है, ये शॉर्ट नहीं है सर. दिस इज नॉट शॉर्ट. दिस इज ऑन अ कंफर्म्ड ब्रेकआउट. और से उसने ब्रेकआउट एक नहीं, एक लिया, दो लिया, दो ब्रेकआउट लिए. दिस वन इज नॉट अ शॉर्ट ट्रेड. भूषण से कैन यू हेल्प मी विद डाबर स्टॉप लॉस 6 rupees is the stop loss of Dabur. Then Swan Energy, Eicher Motors. Let's look at Swan Energy. Swan Energy. Swan Energy is, it has rallied up today, but it is more of volatile. इसके प्राइस रिजेक्शन बहुत होते हैं और इसका ऊपर का ट्रेंड नहीं है. इसमें अगर आप प्रॉफिट में हो तो निकल जाइए, और अगर कुछ नहीं किया है तो कुछ मत करिए. So that is what would be a good strategy. You can use a strategy in this called NBNL. So use NBL strategy. What is the NBNL strategy? It is no buy, no loss. No buy, no loss strategy. So Rajesh, use a no buy, no loss strategy in this one. Now then another one, Eicher Motors. आइशर मोटर्स को ऊपर चढ़ने में बड़ी परेशानी हो रही है. तो वो बेचारा बहुत कोशिश कर रहा है, 3 महीने हो गए, ये ऊपर नहीं जा पा रहा है. So Eicher Motors में I would absolutely love to short a call. Looking at the structure, and if I'm looking at Eicher Motors, even a 3,500 call is not bad. I'm going to Eicher Motors. Yeah, Eicher Motors. And a call of 3,500. सबसे ज्यादा लिक्विड हो गई है अभी. which is currently at 71, 73. So lot size of 175. I'm absolutely okay with this one. So I've just done a short in Isomotors. This is Isomotors, and I would not do one lot in this. I would love to do two lots in this. That's how confident I am on this trade. And I will put a stop loss in this at 100 rupees. 105, 100. And this I will keep more as a swing trade. Pending order, Aisha Motors. Nifty finally is breaking the 19800. 19800 के नीचे पहली बार दिखा. First time we are seeing it below 19800. और ये जो हमारा 19900 है, this one is more or less. मैं इसमें थोड़ा और लॉक कर देता हूँ 19900 में. आ गया. Modify 7 and 6. So I have locked 1,000 rupees in this. I've locked 1,000 rupees in this one. So अब decisively Nifty break हो रहा है. अब decisively Nifty break हो रहा है नीचे. And here in the November, I can reduce. Now let's learn how to trail. एक जरा trail का habit डालते हैं. If I go here to the November one, this is my November, and I'll not be keeping it till tomorrow. I'll be finishing it today. So let's look at a suitable method for, and what is a good target? Remember all those gaps down? ये वाला target है. 19,860 is the target. और यदि यहां से भी नीचे ब्रेक हुआ, आज तो नहीं जाएगा उतना, ये दूसरा टारगेट है. सो टारगेट नंबर 1 ऑफ निफ्टी 19,860. टारगेट नंबर 2 ऑफ निफ्टी 19,640. और एडवांस ऑप्शन स्टूडेंट्स, you know what strategy to use. So let's work on a trail here. So one trail that you can use on a 10-minute chart is a study. Add study is a PSAR, parabolic SAR trail. सबसे सिंपल बढ़िया ट्रेल होता है. आपको खासकर जब आपको पता है कि मुझे लॉस तो नहीं लेना है. मैं now if you see here, this is a PSAR trail. Now where is the stop loss? Now my entry here is at 19 somewhere. I'll just put it somewhere here. And now my stop loss is at 19,993. So let's do this trail. 19,993. So here I go to pending order, and this one now modify 19,993. 19,993. I have reduced my risk in this. इसमें मेरा risk अभी reduce हो गया. I've reduced my risk on this one. And let's look exactly जरा, तो हमको ध्यान में आए कि कैसे जा रहा है. Now this is 19,976 is my entry. 19,976. So how much is my risk remaining now? I have 17 rupees of risk now. So how much is my risk now? 17 into 150 into 150. I have a risk of 2550. Risk 2550. We have a risk of 25. What was my original risk? My original risk was 125 minus 76, 49 into 150, which was 7350. So original risk 73. Original risk 7350. This was my original risk in this one. And now I will just every 10 minutes I have to 5 minutes becomes too fast. 10 minutes is an ideal trade if you intend to carry your trade till evening. And our target is gap filling. हमारा हमारा टारगेट कहाँ है? हमारा टारगेट है ये वाला. This is our target. What are we aiming to get? 120 rupees. So what is our potential profit if the target is achieved? 120 into 150. So this trade can give me 18,000 rupees of profit. You know, Bhushan said this risk mitigation method is only for futures. No, you can do it for stocks. You can do it for anything. It's a method. It's a tool you can use. So that's our trades. ठंडे दिमाग से काम कीजिए. मार्केट कभी आपके हिसाब से जाएगा, कभी नहीं जाएगा. आज भी अभी भी मार्केट को किसने पकड़ के रखा है? बैंक निफ्टी ने. लुक एट बैंक निफ्टी. You know, market is now held by bank nifty, and we will now at 10 o'clock have one more trail every 10 minutes. Or parabolic sarka, it is parabolic stop and reverse. That's the what the so P sarka, one method, one very good advantage is even if the market remains stagnant, it will still give you a trade. So in a trending market, this is a great one. In a sideways market, not very good. In a sideways market, you would like to use more super trend. उसमें आप super trend ज़्यादा use करोगे. But here I'm willing to take the risk. My risk is only 2,550, and that is a very acceptable. So what is currently what is the situation? Potential profit 18,000. In the start, my risk was 7,500 roughly. So my reward to risk ratio was 2.4. Now here it is 18,000 divided by 2,550. So if you see, my reward to risk ratio has now become 7. 7 मेरा reward to risk ratio अभी हो गया है. So as more trail will happen, will my reward to risk ratio increase or decrease, guys? जैसे ज्यादा trail होंगे तो मेरा reward to risk ratio बढ़ेगा या घटेगा? Will increase. मेरा reward to risk ratio इसमें बढ़ जाएगा. I don't have any trade in cash, and I have these are my trades going on. I have a bank nifty 46,000 call right. This is a swing trade. I have Dabur call right. Then I have Eicher Motors call right. Fin Nifty, this is Algo. that has been initiated in Nifty. I'm having multiple call rights now. There is the expiry, so those call rights are there. Now, if we check out on this one, just one, okay, and then we have TCS, where we booked a profit in a trade I initiated yesterday. Great, guys, that's from my side. So, running a profit of about 14,000 rupees now. So, let's hope the gap filling happens and we make good money. Have a profitable day. Bye bye and see you soon.